Hey, what's going on, everybody? Happy Friday. Wanted to bring you this huge update we just launched in our labs. If you're not sure where that's at, you would go to settings in the bottom of the left-hand menu and then scroll down and go to labs. This is where we release our beta features. So as you can see, public beta, recurring appointments on calendars. So if you've been trying to set up recurring appointments with either clients or ongoing classes or training or anything like that, now you can do that. It's great for, like I said, those recurring check-in appointments, classes, webinars, etc. All you need to do is flip this on. Make sure that you are also flipping on any other features that you may be missing out on that are currently in our beta program. Once you've got that turned on, let me show you what it looks like. So if we go on to calendars, and we're just going to grab this calendar right here. I'm going to go ahead and edit it so I can show you this. The feature is actually on the availability tab. So if you see right here, you've got the recurring appointments and you get the little information bubble here, but you turn that on and now you can set up your repeat schedule, whether it's daily, weekly, monthly, or custom, how many times to repeat. And if slots are not available, skip booking unavailable slots or continue booking or book next available slot. So lots of options there. Make sure that you check out the FAQ that is also in this release note. Super excited to bring this to you guys as it has been a highly requested feature. Again, happy Friday, and I've got a few more updates that I'm going to post for you, so stay tuned.